Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Omnia. This is OmneyasWish. I got Under the Boardwalk. It's a limited edition from the Nail Addict bag. I got this a while ago. This is my first time using it. These are the colors. There's one glitter, and these are them. I'm gonna try to do a tappity tap thing with a bunch of colors on two nails, and I think I'm gonna pull purple from the mix. So it will be. Come on, swatch sticks. It's always a mess with me, always. These three colors. So I think I'm going to put teal and pink. I'm going to dip out just the solid ones that I'm just leaving the whole nail one color. I'll figure that out. And then I'll be back when we're going to tap all the colors onto one finger. I don't know what it's called. Tap them all onto, I think it might be these two fingers that I do. Yeah, these two fingers. So I'll be back after I figure out which color I'm going to use on the other fingers as solids. And then I might do some of the glitter. Why does it look so dark in here? Some of the glitter like near the cuticle or some shit like that, whatever it's called. So yeah, I will be back after I get this dipped out, and then we'll do the other thing. We'll figure it out. We'll get there. We'll get there somehow, and I'm going to be using the gel liquids if I didn't mention that, but I think I did. So I'll be back.
Okay, I am done. I got the teal and pink, or aqua and pink, pink. Ugh. That's on. It applied nicely. 2 coats. Beautiful. I kind of wish I only did those 2 colors on these 2 nails instead of introducing the blue, but it is what it is, and I made it work somehow. So I'm gonna go like pretty much almost real time the first layer, and then it'll just speed up from there because it's just a bunch of tippity tapping colors on. And yeah, I could never do this with dip base. I am way too slow. By now this stuff would have been dry, and I don't even have all the color on the nail. So I'm just taking these fluffy brushes I got from Shein and tapping it on in random places. I don't know what I was expecting from this. I don't even know if this is a thing. Like, I think it's a thing, but I don't know the thing's name. I think I was expecting more of a gradient in the end, of some kind of blend. I don't know. You'll see in the end how it turns out. It wasn't horrible, but it wasn't what I was expecting, which is pretty much the story of my life when I do things. Unless I got it planned out to a T, and I rarely ever do that. So yeah, we're just gonna try to gently tap off, clean around the cuticle, make sure there's nothing in there before we go into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Because there's color on it, you know, it's just base coat. It can cure in 30 seconds, but because there's color, do it for 60. That's just my opinion. So now we're gonna speed up, and yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing. I do 3 coats on each nail. I think on the second nail I zoom in, and you're able to see a little bit better. But it's just a bunch of tippity tapping, and I try not to start where I began in the first layer, if that makes sense. Like, I start out with one color, and then the next layer I'll start out with another different color. Still try to get it in the same spots, or you know, if it overlaps a little, that's fine. But yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory. So I will leave you here for now, and I will be back. Okay, I'm just brushing off that last layer and thinking, what now? What the hell do I do now? So after file no, I didn't file shaving buff yet. What the hell am I talking about? I'm going to put 2 coats of gel base on to encapsulate it. That's just how I like to do it. I find it easier than introducing clear acrylic. And then I cleanse it with alcohol, with a lint-free wipe, and then I go in file shape. So after I was outside and my daughter was looking, she was like, "Oh, tie-dye nails." I'm like, "Okay, yeah, all right. They kind of look like that." So I got this blooming gel from Carol, from Carol Z Nails. I'll link her down below. You guys know her. So I'm gonna use some white gel polish, some rubbing alcohol, some dotting tools, a little tiny brush, and everything will come into the screen in a minute. And I'm gonna apply a coat of the blooming gel onto my nail. There's rubbing alcohol. I'm trying to show that I got everything. And there. Now I'm gonna apply it to the nail. And see, the nails look nice. They were all nicely, you know, shaped and everything. I think I went a little too heavy with the blooming gel. But besides the point, I'm just gonna dot on some white gel polish, because that blooming gel, you don't cure it. And you can't see here because I zoomed out because I wanted you to see everything that I had on the table to do this. And yeah, so this one's pretty much zoomed in so you can see what I'm doing. Again, applying the blooming gel. Gonna put the dots of gel polish, and then I will use that brush with some alcohol and it'll disperse, and it makes these like cells, like these spidery cells. It's really cool, but my camera wouldn't pick it up because it's only a cell phone. You'll see it. I'm gonna do it in a minute, but you really can't see like what I was seeing, which was so cool. And it really gave to that, because I remember doing those shirts, and when you would put like rubber bands and like dip it into bleach, you would get these rings. So that's what I was doing. And as soon as you're happy with it, then you move quickly to the lamp and cure it so it freezes in the state that you want it to stay in. So I'm just trying to disperse it a little more. The alcohol like separates the gel, and yeah, that's about it. I do go in and apply a matte top coat after this, but I didn't like it, but I did take a picture and I do show it. And then I go back with glossy top coat. So yeah, you're gonna hear my final thoughts in the video, so I will leave you now.
Okay, this is it. You saw me put matte top coat on here. I don't know. I didn't really like it. I really like this, the Sparkling Co. shiny top coat. It's like really, really shiny. So I went back and I did take a picture of it. You'll see it in a minute. So you tell me what you like better, glossy or matte. I left these glossy. It was just these two were matte. But, I mean, this one's sideways, completely sideways. But I think I saved it pretty damn good. My daughter said, "Oh, those nails look tie-dye." When I was sitting outside before I put this on. And I was like, "Really?" Super shaky, sorry. So I kind of went with that, but I didn't think it was tie-dye enough. I just remember like the bleach splatters kind of thing. So that's what I tried to replicate with the blooming gel that Carol had sent me. I'm sorry, I'm shaking. I shake. So yeah, it's a simple, totally easy effect that you can make if I keep dropping more alcohol. It spreads. You can do lines, all different kinds of things. But for me, I totally saved this mani just with that blooming gel. So thank you, Carol. Thank you. The colors are pretty. No bling, no nothing. Just kept it to these two nails being the star of the show. And yeah, that's it. And I'll leave Nail Addict bag link down below. Of course, I'll leave Carol because I just mentioned her. And Trish's inspo, her channel and her Instagram. So yeah, all the links will be down below. And tell me what you think about this mani. Would you have left it matte? And yeah, you guys have a good one. I'll take some pictures and leave them at the end. Bye. Remember to like, subscribe, and do all that YouTube-y shit.